my gosh, they're all wet. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Welcome to day 4 of them working on the rebuild of my simple province house, and I am super excited what is going to be the progress that they're going to be able to do today. Anyway, so far some of the materials are still good. So we still have sand, we still have gravel, we still have cement as well, and then we still have gasoline for our generator, which is the most important thing because without it they cannot proceed to, you know, the next work. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me again today. Here we go. Hello everyone, so time check right now, it is already 12:30 in the afternoon. So the guys are not here anymore, they went to have their lunch. I think one of you have commented if I do give them lunch or some snacks. Because this is a package labor, I actually don't give them any food. It's part of our agreement that it's not included. At the same time, normally for package labor, it's also really not included. This is one of the advantages if you will have package labor, because you don't need to like think and overthink what will you give them for lunch and for snacks as well. You don't need to like cook for them every single day. So that's also the reason why I really opted for package labor, because I'm not gonna be here all the time. Sometimes I need to go to the city in order to upload a video, and also if you guys can observe on the video, you can see my papa around, and you can see that he is not helping, and that's because, you know, again, this is a package labor. So I asked him to just really supervise them and give them what do they need, like for example water. It is really hard to have water now because summer is coming here in the Philippines, so it's super duper hot. As you guys can see, we have here the blue tarp. This really helps to give us some shade. And over here, I don't know if you guys can see, but I have here my generator. I was just pretty much here earlier for at least 1 hour because I had to charge this camera, my 2 cell phone, and a power bank. So before they went to lunch, they were able to finish 3 concrete posts. Those are the last concrete posts that they need to do. Now I'm really looking forward as to what's going to be the next process, the next steps that he is going to do. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys later once they're back. Alright guys, while waiting for them, I am here in my room. Oh my gosh, it has been a while that I haven't been inside here, and I miss my room so much. Like, I miss waking up here, I miss sleeping here, and having my couch over there and just like lying around, and my study table over here and editing videos. I miss everything about my room. I'm still really thinking if I'm going to get a bit of space of this room and give it to the second bedroom so that we can have this second bedroom inside and be part of the main house. Like, I'm really having a hard time trying to think like, where could I put the door for the second bedroom so that it could be part of the main house and, you know, they could access the toilet whenever. So yeah, we'll see about that. There is also a bit of sadness like while I'm here in my room, because this is where everything started. Like when the typhoon hit, I was just here on my bed just watching Netflix, and then suddenly one of the ceiling collapsed on top of me, and it was so crazy. And this is my room, and to be honest, looking at my new cabinet right now, I felt like it's destroyed. I don't know if I can still use it or not, but it's got a lot of I don't know what you call that. It's like, doesn't look good anymore. I'm gonna show it to you guys. This is how my cabinet looks. As you guys can see, the top part is totally okay, but over here, I think you guys can see it. This, I think they just pretty much pasted it like this one, like a design, and it's actually wearing off. If you try to look here at the bottom, it doesn't look the same as this anymore. It has some molds, green ones, I don't know. I think it's not good, like it's really bad, but we're gonna try to wipe it off and hopefully it will come off. And then we're gonna open it and see. As you guys can see, I still have my stuff, my jacket, some of my dresses and all. And then I have here my bag. See what's inside. I have here my sunglasses. Oh my gosh, I've been looking for you all this time. You're just here, actually. Good thing. Some of my stuff for my nails, so I can definitely do my nails now. Finally, I have been wanting to do this one. All right. Now, let me just put this away. I have here actually my jewelry box. I kept it here and unfortunately it's destroyed. So let me show it to you guys. Look at this, everyone. This is my, the other side of it come off. Look at that. Ta-da. It was supposed to be here and now it's gone. Like, I cannot use this anymore because it got truly destroyed because it got wet. So let's see if I can still open this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at that. It's destroyed. What the fudge? Oh my gosh, they're all wet. So the guys are back and they are now putting the metal up. So I think this is where the roof is gonna hold on to. Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to day 5 of working here in the rebuild of my house. So sorry I was not able to vlog more yesterday, and that's because I was super tired. I don't know why. I think it's because of the heat of the sun. At the same time, we wake up super early here in the countryside around 6 or 7. We already have our breakfast. Anyway, right now I just finished shower. It's actually my first time showering here in my house for the longest time, and yeah, it was crazy. I had to, you know, get water manually from the barrel because obviously my water tank is not working anymore. Like, it's damaged, but I'm not sure if we can still fix it. Hopefully we could, so that I don't need to buy another one. Anyway, today is day 5. Today is Friday, so tomorrow is gonna be their last day of work for the week. And yeah, I am looking forward to sharing with you guys what's gonna be the progress of the house for today. We're already putting some metal up, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. Let's go. So time check right now, it is already 12 p.m. so that means they are now having their lunch. I can already talk to you guys again. Yeah, it's so hard for me to talk to you guys when the generator is on because it is super duper loud. I was trying to talk to you guys earlier when I was there, like fronting the house, and I just want to like really try to explain to you guys like what's gonna be the formation of the roof. But then again, the generator was on. Even if I was, I don't know, about 8 to 10 meters away from the generator, it's still gonna catch the sound, and it is very annoying. Anyway, so it is very peaceful now here, though it is just super hot. Oh my gosh, the weather has been super unpredictable. I heard that we do have a low pressure coming here in Visayas. Hopefully it's not gonna develop into another storm because, you know, Cebu hasn't fully recovered with the Typhoon Idette. So once they're gonna be able to finish putting the metal up, and that's when he is going to give me the list of another batch of materials that we are going to get in the city. So I need to rent a truck again, and hopefully there's going to be stocks for the kind of roof that I really wanted to use for the house, because the last time I checked, they don't have stocks because obviously most of the people are repairing their roofs. Already 5 p.m. I actually took a nap for about 1 or 30 minutes. I'm not so sure. But anyway, they're all gone, the workers. So I'm gonna share with you what is the current progress that they were able to do. So as you guys can see on this side of the house, they were able to finish putting the metal, I don't know what you call it, some metal on that side. I think that's the one that will hold the roof itself, so that's good. And I think by tomorrow, which is going to be their last day of the week, they're gonna work on the other side as well. When it comes to the materials, by the way, we don't have cement anymore, and I think I need to add more cement. I just ordered 30 sacks of cement, and one sack cost me 170 pesos, and I think I need to get it here in the countryside, and here it costs around 210 pesos. But anyway, I think I don't need a lot of sacks for the cement that we're gonna be adding, so it's okay to get it here. What else? We still have a few gravel, and we still have a lot of sand as well. This is the current update that they were able to finish for 5 days of working straight from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. with 1 hour break. So yeah, actually this is a good thing about, you know, package labor. You don't necessarily need to supervise them every day, and like if you pay them daily. I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. This is 2 days of working here on the rebuild of my house, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!